welcome back 40 Piners, and thanks for watching. I hope you're all not going too stir crazy for this lockdown. So I thought I'd do a follow-up video to best beer kits under £12. So all the beer kits I'm going to show you here are going to be at the higher price bracket, but they all are cracking beers, so let's get into it. So first up is this Midas Touch Golden Ale by Muntons. It's a can kit. All you need to do is add water. It's a light pale ale with a rich golden colour and has a distinctive hoppy taste, and the ABV is around 5%. So if you like your bitter, you're definitely going to want to get this Woodford's Wherry. Woodford's are a brewery company and they actually sell this in the pubs, and you definitely won't taste the difference between that and this either. It's an amber colour bitter, it's a 2-can kit, and the ABV is around 4.5%. So if you want to try a Pilsner, this one's really nice. It's a Muntons Continental Pilsner. It's a 2-can kit, no need for fermentables, and has an ABV of around 4.5%. Muntons have teamed up with St Peter's Brewery to develop beers that match their commercial ones. This one is the Golden Ale. Its ABV is around 4.7%, and this also is a 2-can kit and no need for fermentables. Another one from St Peter's Brewery is this Indian Pale Ale or IPA. This also is a 2-can kit and has an ABV of around 5.5%. It's a highly hopped, full-bodied pale ale. This one's from Bulldog and it's the Mexican Cortez Gold. It's got a slight bitter taste, but it's ideal with a slice of lime. It's got an ABV of around 4.3%. This also is a bag kit, no need for fermentables, and it comes with some hop pellets. So this is the first of two I'm going to show you from Mangrove Jack's craft series. This one is the Helles Lager. It's a German style lager. It comes with dry hops. It has an ABV of around 4.4%, but you will need to add some fermentables, so preferably Mangrove Jack's Beer Enhancer. I'm actually brewing this at the moment. I've done quite a few. It's really, really nice. Last up, and another one from Mangrove Jack's craft series, is this Pils with dry hops. It's a Czech style Pilsner of an ABV of around 4.5%. This also is a bag kit. You'll get some Saaz dry hops and a packet of yeast also, but you will need to get yourself some fermentables. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and it's given you some good ideas on what to brew and buy next. Feel free to comment, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell for future videos. Stay safe everyone.